Hello guys and welcome to my video channel. My name is Arthur and welcome to another very exciting video tutorial. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to use Firestore with PHP. After a huge success with real-time database video series, which is now in official Google's documentation by the way, I want to take it a step forward and make a new video series about Firestore. A lot of you guys ask me to make these videos and there it is. So before we will continue to our actual video, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone. You make my channel bigger and bigger, and plus it's a huge success for me to see my videos in official documentation for Firebase. It's a great, I just speechless. But anyway, today I want to show you for how to use a Firestore. And in this video tutorial I need a couple of tools which will be in the description below. It is first of all an official Google's API for PHP. As you can see, this is in a huge repository. You can find the link below in the description. Also there is a Firestore repository which is only for a Firestore, but in this video I will install the all Google package. I also need a PHP extensions, which is a pickle. I will show you how to understand which DLL file that you need, and of course I need to my machine. But there is a little catch in my video. If we will read the documentation of the Google README file, we can find that Google use some PHP extension, and there is a link to how to install this one. If I will pass to link, I can find for how to use this extension in Linux or Macintosh, but there is a no for any Windows machine. So in this video I will show you how you can actually use in a Windows. By the way, this link you can find also here, but you can also find in the video description. So first of all, I need to understand which environment that I have. I mean, which PHP version I have, which is an extensions I have, which is an option is enabled or disabled on my machine. And to do so, what I need to do is to create a new project, which is by the way, it's already done in my IDE, and I need to create a new PHP file. So just one click here and simple index.php, and here I will use PHP built-in function for PHP info. This function will make me allowed to see all my PHP engine settings, including information that I need to continue to work with the Google Firestore. So quick refresh here, and I have an architecture with the 86-bit, but also I need to pay my attention to thread safety, which is enabled. Why I'm telling you about this? Because when I will pass to this link to download the DLL file, you can find this gRPC extension, which is an extension that Google used to build the Firestore API. And now I can click here to download the DLL. There you go. I see that the PHP that I have, by the way, if you want to check your PHP version, you can open any command line interface and wrote PHP-V. And in my case, it's PHP 7.2, which is, by the way, the minimum stable version that you need to work with the Google API. Now I know what the version that I have with the PHP engine. I also know that I need to 86-bit and not 64-bit, and my thread safety is enabled. So this the exactly file that I need to download it. So when I will click it, the download will begin, and I will save this file on my desktop. Now I need to put this file inside my machine. So I will open up my exam folder, and here I have a PHP folder. Then when I will come inside, there is a path under the name extension. So here I can export all my extensions. So what I need to do now is take my zip folder, alright, and extract this file here. I already have this file. As you can see, this is already exists here. But there is another thing that I should do before I can continue. I need to stop my Apache machine and go to PHP INI configuration. Oops, it's over there. And now I need to find the extension under the name SHMOP. There you go. This extension is commented, which is a disabled option, but what I need to do here is add a new line with the word extension equal to my file name. So what I need to do here is just to take a name without the extension DLL and put inside. Then I need to save this file and close and start again my Apache server, and now I have this extension enabled in my PHP engine. What I need to do now is go to my command line interface. You can use any interface that you want. I love my bash interface, and here what I need to do is install the exact package from the Google repository. As I said, you can install all Google packages, or you can choose the exactly package that you need, for example, Cloud Firestore, and you can install the repository, use this line. But because I want to all my package, because I want to work with any Google services, what I'm gonna do is copy this line to my command line interface. And there you go. Let's pass it here, enter. And then you have the exactly package that you choose to install. In my case, it's all the Google packages that I'm gonna use in my video. And we're ready to go to work with our code. So I decided to split this video in two videos. This video gonna talk only about the installation, and in the next video I will show you what the code you need to and how you can need with the code. But before we will continue to the next video, what I want to do now is actually to create a new class inside my path, and I will call to Firestore class. This class will extend my vendor folder with autoload file. A lot of you guys ask me where you can use these tutorials that I make and how you can use in your projects. Well, because it's in a composer, you can use it any project that you want. It's a vanilla PHP script. I mean, you can use it in Laravel, you can use in a CodeIgniter, MVC, or you can use in any other project that you want. It's not limited to something. It's just the basic tools that I show you how you can use it. Of course, it's not the essentials of the PHP, but it's a great basic information that I show you how you can use these tools in your project, and then you can use however you want. You can use at any project that you want, and of course you're limited just by your imagination what you can do with these tools to some exact project. And I want to make it generic as possible, and of course I'm using the basic tools with a basic environment. And you know, there's some tutorials does not exist in internet. So anyway, my machine is ready to work. I'm ready to work. The only thing that I need to do now is to actually require here this my class, which is under the name Firestore. It's a basic require ones. You can use namespaces if you want. It's not something that necessary, by the way. And I'm ready to use all my Google interface. And in the next video, I will show you how to connect to your Firestore project, how to use the tools that we already installed in our vendor folder, and what you can do with the Firestore. If you don't know what is Firestore, it's a kind of real-time database but it's better than database because it can handle with more information. It's faster and it's useful for mobile devices if you will build some RESTful API like in a real-time database, but it's a bit different because it's better. So now you know what we need to do, and you continue to my next one, and I will see you there.